Good morning omwancho murirere Getembe TV ritukeriga area alamisi gosetichikane ase chitariki 25 mutinyoiga ogatano onarimo bwakire mwancho murigereria nabo kiro kende irabe buragukira buya ekiagera nigo bono ekonorekana ng'a ense nigo egenderete korera ekegima ense ya Kenya mbiriro ere na oboigo kokonyoria buna oromeme ndore ne chinguru ekiagera bono kiro tukurire buna wiki yekere gochaka korwa rituko ria mwisonde abasaha bange nigo barenge konyakorera ose banyarete kwiyarigania kigima buna ngoche bari gosiria amagima abo korende wikira boniga buna tugukwana ndoche biombe binde bigoteba kianda abande ensemo yende bateba 11 banyarete korara rituko rigoro mwancho murigireria andonsi asore kwaraira ebiro byao erio kwiraneria omungurumbia muna kiagera kwabukire korebia nabo igo ase bari banyorete chingoma kubatikana no kurubikana wakorekane tigoro nabarabu bagenderete kwirwanira gose bagenderete kurwanira amagima abo ase chinsemo mwancho murigireria chinguru chioro meme gose the power of the tongue abange bakatebanga breakfast gosinga ikumambia tukuboka tonywe chai na baibuli lakini koto kogenda tutairaneti mumanyenga ntwatemete lakini rende nande nabo yeikiranete igo ase ensemo yende abange mbari batairanete ase chinka chiabo kurende bono amabori agotigara nari goika ririri abasae gose abakenya barabe bagutwara kungusana ne serikali karibu sana mwancho murigeria irinde tunyara gusanga ayo agenderete ase chinsemo onkurukwa Matildah Obaigwa no cross studio akabirenere Barnabas Ondari igo irinde tunyara gusanga mirana inche ase chinsemo cha Facebook muna Getembe TV chinsemo cha YouTube Getembe TV and FM karibu sana irinde tunyara kumanya narari akorekanete anamono ekiro litukore igoro onondoche irire dubbed as Black Wednesday rituko renge eri mwamu gose ejumatano yarenge emwamu gentigitangani amanyinga gaiteka abantu bagasiria amagema abo nabo igo amarioki no nyaro amarioki ogosamba chitaire ama mwamu kirase igo mwancho murigire announce asombate tukuru nabo okonyara kundikira ujumbe yago gochase number 0726 44 7367 ilindo nyare kumanyanga aye kiro kende onye wasogete kurubikana gose onye bari kurubikana angena asole abantu bairanire ase chinka chiabo obarebiya karibu sana irinde tunyare gusanga na ekirongo chaka sensemo yekionga mwancho murigereria nigongo chaka no roboti oro rokurubikana ekirobono abasae kurwa aiga ase county ya Kisii banyarete wesokia asobonge na kumirana ase capital roundabout ime yomochi busongo ekiromanyarete okora ukurubikana kwa ngogotini nabo igo utara gocha chinsemo echo chire ase omochiga obusongo oroboti oro rwariganitigwe na Samienda
tap na mpolo nikubaya ni Kisii town
Chisa isato nenusu chamambia ase roundabout ya capital abasani go basangerekana erigo chaka esabari yabo yo kurubikana rituko ria rero ekirenga kiare no kubanyura abasaye bari basirete amagima abo anemono asokurubikana kwenegetwe omwaka oita iriyo kwamereria finance bill yo mwaka 2023-2024 abasaye aboni go bamunchokana na imiye chipara chinyinga asumu chibusungu na gotera amatera ayo ari kworokia okugechigwa gochia serikali anene mono asubuitibwa nyate ko babo kwenekigwa enga kiywe egeka ketarenge getambe ni gabanya nyimbo baika Eri okwenekia omorembe ase okurwa oborendi gochia ase nibo y'abantu abo igo okwenekia omorembe gochia ase bari bakorobekana. Abasaya abo nigo basamba amaguru y'ekigari kugikiria eserikali anene mono abanyanyimbo abo banyarete ko baba kwenekia oboiti obwe. Korende chiburaburu nigo chianekigwa egati y'abanyanyimbo nabari bakorobekana. Ripotiria egetasene kia Getembe kurwa aso mu Chibosongo Nchensam Miyenda.
Nakorwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira mwancho murire nigo obotoereru kwanyarete kwenekiwa rituko rigoro ekiro chinsemo chinde abasaye bari korobekana korende ase kaunti eyo gose ase omochie omonene Nyamira nigo yarorekanete abantu nigo obatoerete nonye n'abasaye tibasogetie gochokora okorobekana korende ase ensemo y'obosombi nobonchoreria nigo omoparo omoke kunyarete kwenekiwa abo banyarete gwesokia eri kogendera n'obogima bwabo bwa kira rituko omo rikeito Fatgad Kisemba norobotio
Omorembe nabo igo obotoereru nigo bwenekiwa ime ye kaunti ya Nyamira chingaki rituko ria rero ekiare ya Gen Z bakagire gwesokia ase para ase okurumbikana bakubainyura abasae abo basiretie amagima abo umwaka oeta ekero abasae abaiga bari kwemurunganiria omoswada bw'ekibesa bw'omwaka bw'ekirububire na 2024 bw'ekirububire na 2025
Nyamira rituko ria rero twatangazirwa maandamano arekoba sigenjo abari baito basirete batanganete n'abandi babeta abducted ono rero ni national day yarenge ya maandamano
ebitana byaito bya Gen Z gwa byategete gosoka kuhusu na maandamano goro ya abana baito muna babere bagoitwa gotokenderete korera mono sana kuhusu abana baito babere bagoitwa noensa babwendeta iyo ini yaki yabo bakurwanirira
kubwatikana na yaiga nigo ensemo y'obosombi abantereba b'ekigari nabo igo chipigipigi baenekia omubaro moke bw'abantu abo rero bari kogenda ensemo eyemo gochia eyende ing'ana bakagira n'obwoba
abantu bane makusekerekia abantu batararwire chiso bate kwigura ebiasara ebingi ebisiekire ase egento begwete na maandamano nare naende abantu bogoeta maandamano ire pare erabete kogamba twabogete saa 12 toroche pare erabete se wanyore nyomba tokomayosa abana bache banyore tikiri bakubeka mundu garende tobugeri morori
aiga mbaburia eserikali enene kurigereria okwemurungania kwa basae abaiga
Wanda baratebete ase cabinet ya wakenda nyumbani lakini sasa bado wanda yatenga na barenga waenda kwa group SES wanda wakakuja adversaries endo kwa sababu na wanda waliwetu bakwete last year kama Gen-Z ntoko give up kanti ne itono tokurero mambi we're fighting for better tomorrow ya omro minja abana baito na kitazi yendatu
ni twabangine tokandete korera tokotebanga tigate nene muno muraiso twachorete arwanirira abana baito boto makweria totebeti ekoreke
asongo ito ate promise tikire gento autuni ngwira nerese watiganja robe akwanira mang'ana aya na riara solve mang'ana issues
amagi
aya
You don't have to face a situation where you have to address these kinds of things. To look at like those mothers and those parents and all those who have lost their young ones in circumstances such as this. It is very sad, very disheartening. But look, let's not lose hope, because when all is said and done, let's get together, because it's for this reason precisely that we should all cross ranks in an intergenerational manner, come together and find solutions to fix these challenges, and we will fix them. These are not insurmountable problems. These are things we can deal with. I get very sad really when I see, even the language that is being used in circumstances such as this. People are raising issues. What we have seen in the course of the last few days, the language even from the leaders is shocking. How do you even address your citizens in the kind of manner that some of our leaders have been speaking? Yet actually you're addressing people who are raising challenges, very basic, straightforward issues and challenges that you need to solve and deal with as a leader. Why can't we even be decent and talk to each other in a responsible manner? Why must we address each other in the manner in which we're addressing each other? The country and really the world now needs warriors of progress, warriors of development, not warriors who carry pangas and rungus. They need warriors of progress, warriors of development, warriors of togetherness, who are going to build unity and create greatness out of our nation.
Na boigo ase oroboti oru rwa aoyo kabeire omwanjo murigirira gukwanira okurobekana kwiritukuri ria igoro nigo bono omuna chebina omonene omukuru muske David Maraga nere anyarite koira chinga kichae goso anabasae ase ukubabwatesia gukora okurobekana ime iyo mochio Nairobi iritukuri igoro korende nere nanyarite gusanga ebirengero bya na kubura unanigo abasaye bataraigwa ribaga kose bataranyara koegwa chingaki ndagotegererwa ebirero byabo na boigo nanyarite kugikiria abanyanyimbo abo bagenderete kutumika chinguru wetania ekirengo hoikira chingaki chiga
violence. Yeah, so it is extremely unfortunate that the police cannot see that. The police cannot see that. Instead, they are just dispersing people. So now it is clear that the problems are actually the police, not the demonstrators, not the demonstrators. Because I was with this. I mean, what violence would you expect this mama to be there? One of them has been dispersed. I don't know where she is. It's very unfortunate that this can happen in our country. So respect for picketing is thrown out of the window, and that is extremely unfortunate. What this is saying is that you have no right to say no. You have no right to say I disagree. And that's what we are saying. The government should be there. It should be ready to be criticized. And people, reasonable Kenyans will see where there is unreasonable criticism, and they will themselves voice. But when you do this, in fact, you even now lose the sympathy of the Kenyans who would otherwise have been on your side.
Mwancho murigiriria no obotutukano obo nene nigubonyarite konekiwa aikero omuswati oyomo manyikanite buna edina kwambuka vikeri arenge kwenigwa ase chinze mocha keboba egotoka imenya ribari chache e county ya Kisii kurengana ni amate nigo omuswati oyo anyarite gostesenigwa na bana batano ekero anyome tugochase enka eyo kurende ase ebatimbe ekaba buna bana bobonsi banyarire egosira bono ekikirete ere konganya na bwo kugenda komenya ase omuchio wa Nairobi ekirabono anyarite komenya atari inomo sacho ekorende kirasireti ubugima bwaye mwancho murigire nigo yabetereretie aikigwe ase enkayo nakoyanigwa ekirabono yamate yanyarite kobetereria enganeyo
Obaigwa Center ne duka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia chisovaset ebirugo bye chisovaset bagomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boigo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirugo na boigo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira
Gagi. Umwana yo boy, diganda ndango ichibeza. Chibeza ntabwate muko, lakini naikire taracha seito, nanyorire mwapo ichi wakali. Hai, wone chibeza kwenda mpulingi, pulingi. Emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru. Emeito yo konyora bana chisare. Kwa razangu ra duniani. Kaki, horoje paka nabwate paka ebintombire bakoro kwa chiferi vete. Chikorozi, ebirogo. Bieti gari. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sepinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu goja moye binto koruga mwapo ichu wakali. Hili, omuganga James onkoroko. Kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo bye kigali na boigo ebirugo bya leather. Gusechi sofa set cha leather. Gwetani abo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet. Echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia. Nebintu nebyo. Mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisii Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Uru Superstores barabari na Kisii Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kindi gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Obaigwa Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruororo
Njempo Obaigwa Kristo na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisii Hotel na bariga ni mwesto
Gagi genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba boli chwakali gagi egotoka alinsali tara chambiri gagi ligere libudango kuanete omusyo mubihili gagi nariri goli kwa sarense
kwabera asingenjo yoroboti yorokora chinsemo chake boba gotoka me yanyari bali echache na gosuka bosi gotigana anenganiyo nigobono amate mokro ase kenyoro kyanyansira egotoka me ya birongo ekero obono me ye county ya Kisii nerobono yanyari kuboria ogosirwa gose obokonyi elio kumurusia umunyaroko bobwe myaka 25 ase enyagitari kyagira bono nigo ebili yanyari kugenda goika enusu emilioni nekirobono enka eyo kuboria bonsi bali no moyo wanchoku ya banyara gwesokia ndaboigo kubasira oroboti oro unarwaliganire no mulikito Daniel Ontiri
asa matuko harochie omotinyo omobono omugaka John Motukano murugyo ye sorobidina kurwasi kenyoro kyanyansira imeye wodi ya birongo ase bonge yenyeri bari chache county ga ya Kisii abale no balema bugotaiwa na gukwana boigo bale nabana bale no mochando yo balira mariga mange kubwatikana no gusinywa koenia omwana bo munyaruka w'emyaka emeke niye magiga yo kurwara asegekegeke nyegosira Joyce Morawe w'emyaka 25 nagaigwete bobe haso mubere na kumenyikigwa nyagitari hase yatebekanete bunani gabwate mechande menge igatiabo mochando w'echinyigo nebimo binde haso mubere no molyo hagasirwe mabwaye mapema omotinyo na kurwa chinga kicho omubero ye nigo kwa meta sinkindu ase basinyiro wesania shilingi kiribu chimisano hase bill ya nyagitari
chagite kuyunga maiso talikorora akorosa tukamwire clinic achaka ikubobe muno tukamwira general busongo kabero rasa matukabere ya gatatu tugatebiwa torore nyagitari era tware machine cha dialysis tumwira ororo usina konyeke tugatema kulia tukaenda chi private tuachete tukanyora tutaite chibesi nyinge cash amanya kongea kumushughulikira shida yoko yana pakatana kidneys chae chibwatu muchando tari correspond na malio gasama tukayo apertoro awaya ikerte mpaka bakateba aganire komenterwa manyinga ditukutwa muligeretia manyinga ilina liasire tubotuko yare ngaramisi
kira ekero bakubuka mama mwabo nyagusira uyo otari kwenyara gukwana nigo rituko rigima kunya kurigiria chibicha cha nyagusira sesimi kare na mariga mange okonya gusaba ekombe kiga kimururaro gwikira basinyure kolia nonyene ndagira na kira rituko batebuna nigo bakoberia ekabe hasikiribuna endagira ngao terigosoa bateba yabanyarire asekiribuna nigo baganirie kurusia omubero nyogusira senkendwemo yabanyane ime yomocho bosongo babolia onde bwensi bwatomoyo bugwancha na baraikuru asirongo rwagusi kwesokya ilio kobakonya
nchia sana tugwato muchando tutirete ne pili ya nyagitari kurwa bweka to anyorere njira yo konyore pili ya nyagitari tumanya gocha kubanga kwa nyuma no mto familia itontori pia iko
kurega se bonge yenyere bari chache nkoribo tirigeta seni Getembe ritrene ngoruko Daniel untiri
Umukonyi w'umuteneri ase abisi yomurai ibuinse gosoyore Deputy Chief of Staff ase abisi yae Omoski William Ruto manyakanete buna Eliud Owalo ni gomono ritkorigro anyarete kura etimu yaye gose etimu yokorigereria enchira cancer center ya Kisii egenderete kwagajo na egero ari gukwana kuro ase amagacha yo ni gobono anyarete kogosereria ogotugutero are wekonda gose omonyakonda oyo bono obetega kwewa emirimo yu kyagera nigo airire emirimo yu koira egeka kegima negero akoboria nigo bono nonyene serikali irachikochora kerukende omonyakonda omonga aiwe emirimo yu erikwane kyapuna cancer center ya Kisii yanyare kwagacho ase egeka egeke.
We are not impressed at all as government with the progress on this particular project.
Eyo nengwana yaye omokonyi bomuteneri ase ABC yaye omuraibwense omoske Eliud chingaki atalera amagacho a Kisii Cancer Center ime yebunge nyeri balichache county ya Kisii.
So the government can only pay based on certificate. And what is the basis of certification? Certification one is in conformity to the terms and conditions of the contract, is in conformity to whether or not the milestones have been achieved as was envisaged.
Nakolengana nere omunyakonda okwagacha sayo nigo gwikira bono iga atarekirania amagania no koigwana gwekonde yo nga nonyaga kanire chibesa nabo igo kugania agendere wakanwa chibesa chinde.
On the side of government, our greatest concern is that we have already given out a down payment of 20% and the project overall is only at 6%.
Yakondo yo nigo akanire emerongo ebere igoro yemia yechibeza chonse chiganirie ase omerobyo yo na nigo aikiranirie isano nemo igoro yemia chioka gwikira bono.
We are here dealing with a contractor who is very hostile. We did issue instructions yesterday that the contractor himself should be here on site. He has deliberately decided not to come, and as opposed to that he has sent a representative because he knows very well that His Excellency the President himself had visited this project and he did commit to make fundamental progress on the project and he has failed to do so.
Boigo nigo ogwaro amochia omonyakondo yo ase ogotabeka omokia ase mirimo yaye nga gwikira ase atoma omonto omongao kumira nere nga nonya omuraibwense omonyene orweto gochika gokwangoigwa kwobwagachi obwo.
And the conclusion we are drawing is that perhaps it's high time the government reviewed its relationship with this contractor and even explored the possibility of getting an exit clause out of that contract and also recommending the blacklisting of the contractor for purposes of being debarred from undertaking government projects in the future.
Amagacha yo nigo abwanarete koba 50 igoro yemia gwikira bonaiga naboigo nige gitambukiro kirachi kwimukigwa elio munyakondo yo kurwa ekonde yo elinde egwe omonto mongao.
As we speak, we have already eaten into 50%, over 50% of the project timeline. Yet the project progress rate is at 6%. And the conclusion we are drawing is that perhaps it's high time the government reviewed its relationship with this contractor and even explored the possibility of getting an exit clause out of that contract, and also recommending the blacklisting of the contractor for purposes of being debarred.
Ase budget yetiwa yo mwaka wa 2025 nomo amagacha yo akanza center nigo abekeretu shilingi bilioni eyamo.
Given project, we have to absorb that money within a given period of time, and the government has got its own budgetary cycle.
Omuske owaro nigo ale ase orongora gusi ase okorotota amagendero aligendete kwikiranirwa na serikali enene ase litukori yangyo aranyaka baga gutarira county ya Nyamira. Haroni Ototo, Nyaingiri, Getembe TV.
Biamono kigima ase omorikito Aaron Ototo Nyaingiri na okotigara ime county ya Kisii nigobono university ya Kisii titukoregoro ya nyarete gukora ukubwatira na gusekurikirana ase ne university ya Manchester ekero bono obarigetie gochokonekia buna banyarire gokonya na boigo gusira gutanga amarwire ali akombokera ali atari kwambokera amanyikanete buna non-communicable diseases umuhigo yo korekanete ase university yo ya Kisii nigobono onyarete kwirira abaraya bange na boigo ababwatani au bechisemi gwikirana ase enseme yo na boigo baria bakoro ase ensemo yo bocheno mwanchumbuligire roboti orwo buna rwariganire no murikito Daniel Ontiri.
University ya Kisii nsi oburai bwaye Professor Nathan Ogechi nigo litikolia lero yatura epejenya hasa mangana yobulingolia hasa morwera tali kwambokera wetera hasa kubwatirana ne University ya Manchester ime ya UK
on a partnership just to bring awareness on non-communicable diseases and the fact that they are neglected diseases that don't seem to get the discussion that they really deserve, and even the funding, considering the areas that these diseases actually prevail in the areas of disruptions, displacements, and so we are coming up as a team, researchers, academia, practitioners, and figure out how can we address this further.
Asomorobolio yolengete ukine birengo bya masomo na mono hasa borokwa bagendrete na masomo ase skuru yo abatenere baiga nigo bamentabuna ukugania nkororo ugochakia esegi yokurwania amorora iga buna cancer borere wa diabetes epilepsy egati ya yanda mange hasa gutumika emetandao yekerero.
Kisii University plays an important role in this discussion because first we have declared our niche as University of Health Sciences and Research, and number two, Kisii County is in the far-flung western side of the country, and as you can imagine, the remoteness or the ruralness in this region where we are located make us very susceptible to non-communicable diseases, and therefore this discussion is important, urgent for us as a county.
So what we are seeing about non-communicable diseases is the prevalence, especially in the areas where we work. It is not enough that we are speaking about refugees or people fleeing conflict or people who are faced with serious disease outbreaks. Then we are saying that at that point, those who are managing non-communicable diseases are predisposed to certain other elements, and that is why we are saying that it is important that we come together and have a discussion around this.
Aiga nigago cha chinga kebogo university ga hiroberetie obulingoria nubuweni babosa bakubwatirana na bubwatani bande au yorobeirie lituko lya ijume ikeiga asesemo ya Nyamira nkurubaterege seni kya Getembe kuriga si county ya Kisii literane ngoro kwa Daniel
na gutigana nayo kurase county ya Kisii niko bono ababwatani ni muno abo barikire ase chisukuru imeye county ya Nyamira bono banyare kuburirwa kubwatirana ase mirimo yonsi bagukora ayega nigo anyarete gusangwa negati ya barai kurase ensemo ye chisemi imeye county ya Nyamira banyarete gwikirana ase omoyega wokogenda gose retirement yaye oyore omwarimu umanyekanete buna ase omwarimu w'esukuru ya Sironga manyekanete asirita muna Benson Orutwa na kirobono anyarete kogenda retire gose ari kogenda omutimukoe lituko regoro moyigo yokorekanete ase skuru yo yabanyaruka ya Sironga buna muri kito Paul Kapokara agotomanya
nigo yabomogoko munene utarine kerengo miyeskuru yiga yabeseke ya Sironga chingaki omukulemere moyo berga gukulemere mase skurega wetani myaka 30 asereta Benson Orutwa achoki kunyara kubaga kugenda sumutimoko
nakorire emirimo ase myaka 32 imirimo yankonyire yansukirie yansomerie abana igo ninyegokerete muno mirimo nayengokora niyo obukaventa
numuyiga utanya gukorekana ase skuru yiga muyiga unyara kubagokogokia bangi nane nabakori mirimo be skuru yiga abarimu na aboigo nabibuli abo baikirana ase omuyigo yiga
nagokire oruti myaka akorire na inje am aiming oike myaka eyo natigeri myaka meke sana nje ndita yo no rutuo minto nagokeire skuru yetu ya Sironga madam principal teachers and our workers asogoto hosti skuru yega
watakana muno murugi oye Orutwa serieta Wilkista Nyamoika igakwerera enchera bagendera koba bagokora emirimo ase skuru yega na enchera agendera koba ase myaka yonsi aberega kumwarigania Orutwa kugenda gukora emirimo yaye
egasi yeterie egasi erera isi na igona ari kubuka mampia na bango mugaka ochiche egasi nabuka na mokorera kende oria ochiche egasi na inde na motebia orenda jinsa agoche egasi tanyorwa echokoira na nyomba na baranyorwe twaiguana no mugaka riogi ndiyo mugaka onyora jinsa jingi yachokogenda egasi
Orutwa nigagendere kobaga kubwatu koboseme na kuba esiri eyo yerere gokore emirimo ase myaka yonsi wika kugenda retire
Yongo basemia balemererie kiagera imirimo y'emekongu wikolemererie eso kore imirimo ande oire okoboko okonosi ikiagera oise koye gutantana nabo gutigere gasinjera ikiagera kwateririe
egati abakorera imirimo abwekire nasaya iganigo bahaborokire okogokwa kwabo kubatakana muno mugigo yiga na kurira ngamba chikunyara kwabo bakwega chimbaratero cyaye Orutwa elio nabura bachikunyara kwabo bakogesa amanene na gokorera abananchi emirimo chingaki bali ase emirimo yabo ase batogire imirimo y'amaboko na kugenderera kubwatuka obusegetago cyase abande
nande gendera magwani kwente kora siga selse mubekire ebenchi kon department ya chikoni grounds and ons egento sabona bolemereria ekerore merere ndo nyego kerete gasi ni gyo kobengiya ande yako nyari nkenkongu ige kuoroba
igo nyangete gasi esingira nyangete erengiya aso konya nyolebe soko nya bana bawo
ando gokorera for imyaka naringo mwanafunzi ndaira na no mwalimu ana ira ndimo mwalimu munene tirigasi raisi gukora gasi yo olemerereti abandi bawikagatiga ya basinete ubona tugusaba nsa kwa vingia mumenye byane family ya bira no jesu community wakorera imirimo nende kuwa mano mukorera sayas
inko ripoti rigetasene kya wanjete kya Getembe kuruga gasi skuri ya bwese ya Sironga Girls iyo gotokeme ye bunge yega ya West Mogrange County ya Nyamira inche konkuru kwa Polycarp ukara
ase oroboti oro rwaye umurikito Paul Kapokara mwancho murigerea no tugukorera ekiunga chinsa 12 chia bono mambi na ekirondo che na Wilfred agota good morning Matilda, good morning to you. Agota banga, do we have any fatality in Gusii as per now regarding yesterday's incident that has shocked many Kenyans. Wilfred kurase county ya Kisii no kubolia gose county ya Nyamira kubatikana no kurubikana kwa igoro nkagirita abantu abangene chingoma banyarete konyora kolende wikira bono iga ntoranyara konyora oroboti ronde rwensi gose en confirmation kuro ase byombe biri bwanza ko confirm mete confirmation kuro bono ase kinyagitari gose nonye no roboti rorabotokwe kora nonye nasi abara igete lakini wekira bone gavana tugukwana kora se county ya Kisii ya Nyamira nturanyora roboti ronde rwensi rwo muntu gusiri bugima bwaye kubatikana no kurubikana wakorekanete ritukorego lakini ni boero yanyarite gosarigwo no boigo nabange mbanyarite kwenyorera chingoma agotebanga na Pastor Henry Ayora nigo agotebana chinse mochiabo gita agotebanga siku njema kwa Pastor Gilbert Onyango, Elder William Mekenye, Elder Samuel Onyego, Elder John Obiri, Andrew Mbaka daboigo Elizabeth George na barigereria bonsi mbia mwana sana uyo nigo are Pastor Henry Ayora agotebukora chinse mochiricha abogita na aiga chinse mocha Facebook ndoche na bange unabono oya agoteba pilipili hoho agoteba timani no tore ime watching via sana Rose Michiamo agoteba Del Monte agoteba from Nairobi Pipeline na omo anchoye Naftali Onyango mbiamona sana musori bwege susera otabakoro na Gro City Salams Club wika gachuba na Eric Magare Nyamweya mbiamona sana musori bwege susu na Eric Magare Nyamweya rauta kuronya misaro obobasi pamoja pia mono kigima Teresa Kemto. Good morning Matilda from Karatina tuned in. Good morning to you mbia mono sana bana bas ratemo gekonge ne rauta watching live korwadoa Katare pamoja wikasobo Nyamasibi thanks so much na boigo akayam sonko agotebanga kutoka Etago Market pamoja akayam sonko elete no mbia mono kigima Omosh Magi father agoteba ako logged in. Stephen Nyabera kurwa Kiligoris agoteba pamoja. Brian Onchuru kurwa Ikorongo umubaga happy throwback Thursday nigagutunyorenga irigane ritko ria TBT Thursday mbia mono sana Brian Onchuru korenda menyete nonyerire ritko ria TBT enene ritko bono amange I think boni gaba Kenya bange nigo barengeretie gose embe gende tukugusana iringa ngai ensero chigochi ngo ikaliriria abantu baragende ko bakurobekana ngo ikaliriri ubonchoriria burabe gose ubonchoriria obosombi ibintu binde binge bihakira ritko birabe bigotenenirwa igoro yo kurobekana kwega kwa ekigori igia Gen-Z igira chikoba enaro wika ensi ya Kenya eso nguru ngaki serikali irachikogayana engane na kirachikukora engane iga na boigo oyuga Livingstone akala Kenya nigagotebanga locked in mbia mono sana aikase mwensi bali mukendete gosanga no oyuga Ashadi Makori agoteba tuned in from Milimani Estate Milimani asinsemo Cross County ya Kisii umuchobosongo mbia mono sana Ashadi Makori. Christopher Atandi kuroborangi Kenyambi no murugio ya Lydia Kerubo hadi tamati agoteba have a good day too omaite kuganirwa ritkoligi tari kira omuntu kuganirwa ritkoligi igonyo kwanyoro ndo kuganirwa ritkoligi osobote good morning komote good morning igase ayorio ndigerete kero kendo taranyara kulika ujumbe ya wocha igase studio na wakogendera kulika wetera chinse mocha Facebook na bwego chinse mochirechi ya YouTube na botonyora na Getembe TV and FM na nano okonyora botambe kendra usubscribe iri kwanyora emirobere bune yiga neyende menge na bwego chinse yekeonga asinchira ere engikirano kegima igo mancho muligere amanyirite ria ochinse mochiromba tekoru ontevinga ayengo chete korobekana osonye barobekanete ange enasore namona ubalingiasi mucho busongo litkoregoro ninki kwerocherete otatiga kora sense moya nenche tini nomugo kikiagira na roche naroche bioski gete bigo sagano iyo tari engana endonge nande ntochwe karanza nande ntobe tukuburani nabasai okuna kukurobekana kuri kwa murembe etukuburya bosoko robekana kuri mogote abo kwa murembe timaitinga abosongo naro ninki kegochi kiaba ninki gekoirera abasaba baiga kwagenda bake egioski gesiekire kwanyora ngeduke siekire lakini bake na makongo lakini asebonsi bali bonchore bwa bwanyale tukonyora obokongo sibanyale tukonyora asara engore nene torabae ose ngore nene ndabae chinga kichiga chabona mambi kogenda omutumuko omukeigo erinde koirana ngira nene nsemo y'ikigazeti eritomanye naki kigazeti chiyaererete anamono ayo akorekanete ritukore igoro
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom ya Etwani go enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerunge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyari kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Silvakia ni nyagitari yekerero asumu cyubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guche Kilgoris nigekurwa obugwenia asenchira yekerero asugutumia chimashine chekerero abwasi bwatabanyagitari bubwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbabwate inpatient gusichi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koirana gochianka mbabwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashine chekerero laboratory yekerero gose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chinu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoro iga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukuringoria nobuwenie bwa maiso gose optical department abwase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbwate boigo ensemo ya maini ino kose dental section yebwate chimashine ichekarero yobwate boigo pharmacy kose duka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo onsipi aliuraganirigwe gwetania onsi liguliriabo nelianse pi ngwanchira bale umoroberio osha usibali bwate umoroberio osha naboigo nkurike bale umoroberio osha utarigwakanira kende gyonsi asamange bakire simyase namba 0799747414 Silvercare Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono.
Omugusi igwa amagulini gakirwa moroka ase eduka ya Shah Ceramics igulire deformed bars TMT steel, ordinary nails, square tubes, round furniture tubes, black pipes, black sheets, round bars, wire mesh igatibi ntowinde evinge tubasi namagulire niga ainsekigima asekire yuka ya Shah Ceramics tutarelero ikiwenyolere estokeye itaraera nigo tukutuka sinsamuchiri cha kanso
Stemo Nugabas ninya gitari ekukurwaria asechinchira chekero kurwa chinsi cha Michael nigo bakurwa obubwenya bwabene asekera omoroire abo asekera bakurwaria with a lot of privacy okubwenigwa ayebweka asibitanda byabo bibwate obubwenya bwabene mbali gutomeka ntetere gustarko beto sindane yira kubekere chemical kandyonsi asomobere igwa nigo bakubwenya amarwire bunabono egetekyo mugongo naboyiko kwirania amaugabya abanyagitari babo nigo babwate obumanyi bwebirengo byechinse ekya Michael ekero bakorwa obubwenye bwabo nigo bakora n'ubwanchani obonene namaguri yabo nigo ale ayanse monokigima bagutoka ase nyumba ya Umoja Complex third floor eyo yalenge Family Bank enkuru eyo angene Cooperative Bank asamange bakira simyase namba 0741903162 0758066164
Inche asamarieta ngoroku Agnes Mora omonyagitari omonene Ostemo Nugabest nkoirali bageri mwensi abagusi kubaligania ase Stemo Nugabest aiga Stemo Nugabest etokubwenia ase gotumia chi machine chekerero igo bali mwensi mwachandikira asama rwaire ao twabaliganiri tobae obogwenia bwekerero inchu mwensi togokera obogweni bwaito aiga Stemo Nugabest biyamon
ajirire gocha Stemo Nugabest abo ase uranyore obokoreri bwigoromono Gotera chinko chinkureta elioki waitiro ne chingake gutumeka chinko chinyinga asomorero omusinine boyko byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rice Brackets na lyuri chiburiao ase okoroisia endagera na boygo gwata asibigori byonsi ni chiamate chonsi Alpha Rice na makara ao nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero tabuatirioki no nyenerika agutumeka kemono nende akoira egeka kujya umuriro ene kebemberi digo liriae neligia amakara ega nigo agokeania kuna chokwemete yaito gose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokeania gokonyora kwendwali ya kansa Alpha Rice Brackets na bogutumeka ase chioteri chinyagitari chinka chiskuru na boigo nabugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chibusungu navuga tuwakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rice Brackets naye tuanchete
Twatire kumama ine
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nibwa amavuta yani oil ya boygo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabati boygo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Gusi bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja TV ya uwanje tia Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimiruli ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amati yao kuli miyensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amono chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemiruli yetu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Momogusi. Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero iliwi manyibu na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Getembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Getembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Getembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie wemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekenge Edio onyaliko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Getembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeonga kia Momogusi.
Boy Juakali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia chisofa set ebirogo bye chisofa set begomba bwate chikapet chisanduki chamanna baguchira eskuru na boygo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa elia manna baguchira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirogo na boygo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira.
Gagi omwana yo boy tikanda ndango ichibesa ntabwate muko lakini naikire taracha seito nanyorere mwapo ichi wakali hai bona chibesa kwenda mpulingi go pulingi emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru emeito yo konyora bana chisare kwa razangu ra duniani kaki horoje paka nabwate paka ebintombire bakoro kwa chiferi beti chikorozi ebirogo Diechigari. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba speaker imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu kaki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu goja moye binto kuruga mwapo ichu wakali. Hili, omuganga James yokoroko. Kaki.
mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo bya kigali na boigo ebirugo bya leather gusechi sofa set cha leather gwetania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet echo oranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia nebintu nebyo mbabwate cha arms ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaiba gutuka nigo bagutuka ange ne hotel ya Kisii Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Oru Superstores barabari na Kisii Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kindi gyonsi bakire ase enamba 0720688220 Obaigwa Kali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
Njempo ichwa Kristo na bariga ni mwezi tokole biashara osobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisii Hotel na bariga ni mwezi
Gaki. Gaki, genda mwapoi gaki nyasaye baba poli chwakali. Gaki, egotoka alinsa alitara chambini. Gaki, ligere libudango kuanete, omusio mubihili. Gaki, nariri gori kwa sarense. Ebinto nago lirega gaki. Pui chwakali. Hili. Gaki, hili. Ngokongkonya. Musio mubihili. Polite bintu mlimamba.
nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura
ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange
we call your prostate eno borwere bwasumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari what you call the genesis of diabetes ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogende gure somo be walfiti itosomete chinchereza tojukorwa lya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine yani unyagitali obwa kawaida itosomete ngendo nga nutritional medicine na malioga alyakurwese endagera yaito ya kawaida kwa mfano we have ntubiko amino acids ntubwate fat acids ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika bigo tumeka esokorwa lya marwaire nchirende yagata tosomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine tugutumia maliogo akurwese mete twarwa lya marwaire igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yaito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu room 307A ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2
Ekiriye eikendi agoteka bahabuna chikendi chinde uboita bogotegere radio nubwansu bukoigwa iwe buna naole mese malonga rumba na mashabik numurubiryo okoletwa semule nere polycap okara uchakira chinsa isaro nebere chamabaso wika chinsa ikomigoro kila lituko liye sabato ime ya 102.7 Getembe FM ekeneke onka kiama mugusie ne nogani gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyumo inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie vinde vige buno Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega ashirigolidio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyibaitabo bare no bamanyibigoro nigetibye tibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosiku ya Kisii gwitira namba 0741499726
Yo bomboli umwanone kiririgane
Abasai vikirikia makiaya Vono Link Up Show nikuja kulijwe mbauki gima kila litukuli Jumatatu weke Ijumaa kuchakira chinse sanebere chamo baso wika chinse kumigoro umrena nera Wizard Crown Vakubuatrina na DJ Topsha on the ones and twos Kongre muziki Vakwa showbiz Trending issues Namangnande Yekielekea makiaya Link Up Show Link Up na sisi Kurwa sasaba wika ikomigro Wizard Crown na DJ Topsha Imehe ya Getembe FM 102.7
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
asinchira ya bene kima karibu sana irinde tunyara gusoa ensemo gazeti neri tukeriga ria rero gusichinga kichiga chabona mwambi nigo ndenere abuga Eric wakira
Makiriwia karibu twakore yule ya yesterday ya na otore gas
yes kwanya tete ya gas
kada terunye pia za boko nyenye kada kwenye boko nyenye miss kwenye nande so that last monyenye abande mbanye nywe taki balente nywete that's part of life.
Ese karibu nje nkumeti okubore kwane ngori naki onye abasaye bakogenda kurwanirira gusekorera bakoire birero byabo munakorera ba street ya magimabo mwako itete abandi basokire ku nyumba bagati ya Bible kwa eri na advance and bagenda tifakoirana ngo ikaririre.
The funny thing is that okay, what the youth are calling now marking 1 year anniversary of youth last year June. Could again turn out next year to be another anniversary yoko mancha and work with yesterday. Because from the figures charu yetu abantu kiandavanya tuwa sima magimabo yesterday.
Yes.
Through different kind of injuries. Lakini rende nedinga the concerns yo mo Kenya bonega na bara itocharete. Nitakire mita the common agenda. And we're getting what's the way forward. Like do we keep protesting at a street provocation? You must carry wakiro mondo, must carry and advance or demonstrate. Or something has happened and advance or demonstrate. Last year it was an issue ya finance bill no can strict pakani stop you this year was an anniversary ya lenge ere aiden into an agenda ya kinga adabatu chong na kwita se maboko ya basigari.
Yes.
So I know next year again we'll marking anniversary, second anniversary ya bakwita last year na first anniversary ya bakwita yesterday.
Yes.
As we approach elections chitirate meet from next chitirate mwaka yo. So the idea is that what is the best way forward and for the current bagambe Obaigwa na nenga this is the common agenda to work ketuza te country again.
Yes. Na ekirongurikira bana gazeti ya The Standard nigo page ntagani kigima ere mwamu nekiro egotabanga rogue regime guns and roses. Youthful protesters flooded the streets in defiant remembrance of those gunned down in last year's rallies, but instead of a listening ear, they were met with a razor wire, armored trucks, and the cold grip of repression. Parliament, the People's House, was barricaded like a Nazi concentration camp, a symbol of a government retreating from its citizens. Bono nga nigo serikali ekorokana nigo egotema kuingusa kusikurusa ni ase abantu bae. Bono serikali kiyiga elio ona liondo chinga liriringana linene nekire kubolia na ekiro basae besogetikima gochokora kulira lakini gatoka ng'anandiri bagali okorera nigo bona serikali ero ekwe egotema kubeke boundary gati ya Abakenya na bona magacho bona aya bunge nene na Boigo State House metinga injirele banyarite gutanga parliament.
See, abasigari
yes
have a responsibility to keep safe Kiromo Kenya. That's their responsibility Kiromo onto asa korega sia asa menyete abe safe. But this sometimes the number ya Kenya out numbers them number ya basigari. Like now in Kenya basigari bari get last time I think almost 2 years ago 2-3 years ago basigari bari get. You see condoning a specific area makes work easier for basigari nga and manya access that area banya ba kumia. But when the Kenya Kiromo ndago ate right ya that people are accessing their rights just under the constitution. You know the constitution of Kenya where there's so much freedom, not even so much freedom, but the freedom Kiromo Kenya went to exercise. But then the one somebody answer a question like, why do you condone this place? The issue is not what they are raising, telling and condone that area. It's an issue like or condone that place, the spikes or those things. That tells you whoever wanted to go that place, and his way you know, every time security sector needing you think about the best idea to me or cap insecurity. You know what me they would look at mambi ko mende tear gas mambi no mende erungu so it's not an idea nga in Chevnomo Kenya ndengati mambi ngana kumera basigari babwate tear gas yoka they sleep thinking mambi to go to me get more modified so that tokonye abantu mbaga ndra ko me stokonya and the destruction tebenen so the idea of questioning ngi yatumegete it's neither here nor there but then unless and otherwise you can get to make it cause death that's the more questioning ngi get to make it as means they can use
but they can do anything.
They can do anything. But then they needing the exercises being talked about by civil society groups. What are the limits? Limit nearly. Bako to me last time, but me bunduki they were complaints. Something about me spikes ne days pub there were still complaints. So which is the best way I was about to make? But actually I was going to get to a point in this country that they're likely to give up also. You know, they are also part of Kenyans. As many of they're taken out of office in by the take hapo Kelinga, watatumikia inji. You look at how they are nowadays operating, waanze the cover to a point that our girl waanze the way to steal.
Kuna iko na bangi sana baite tu.
Yeah, we saw it like kuna bono Kisii town mo CS or Kisii Central. Na geto mageno motu kayunya gitari. You have seen the photos in the newspapers there. Askari ba umiete. Ngoro just adi musikali abwate bunduki patiale nge bunduki gira yake masasa nge bunduki tear gas. That's why kwa Kenya abange mbali even interested ne bunduki. Enye ndi yange bunduki ya masasa tangamba mo urete. But they knew bunduki abo urete ni tear gas ndoki banso kwa. Kwenye korasti na boko imura anataka kwenye tuzi tear gas ile imenya ya mosive okulta chinga yuko bunduki sti na boko bwat there were cameras na boko bwat. So you get to a point that it has been in Kenya were endangered. But when you get a point that none of us guys now they also endangered. You see to a point that to a point where in uniform. Not that it's in civilian in uniform. And most Kenyans work on the street. If I were to in civilian, I don't know why, but if I were to in civilian, as compared to Muslim in uniform. But that's like in China Abuga, being patriotic, yanze kokea. Those social files to already as mama Kenya chanze gosira. Respect to akara basgari ngona chite training akora na bakondenda. Chanze gosira bano Kenya rotenga na bongo ndo musgari.
Na bongo moita.
Yeah, it's a point when to go ikaranza.
Yes.
Tarengereri.
Ni page ya kabere nawe bwati chivicha chinyinge sana gazeti ya The Standard kero ndoche ringana riraro abantu banga Gen Z revolt bwate chivicha chabange abo balenge ko bunabona balenge utemerero ase chipara abande bakorona basigari abande babwate banyarire konyora chingo mabako imukiwa abande ndoche ngabono mpaka sensemo kero to kwandara ugosalia enibo nara igotenene ase Ntufuate timete usene signboard eli konyore likire na wono Kenyatta Avenue Mwende Mbingo Street okonyore likire chibekire koro kinga eye avenue eye ne paragete kogenda nsemugete atine inikoro timaitinga ekira wiko kurugoro gari ngakia koigo gusekera umuntu kogenda kwanyora buna bono ase ebintu buna konyora turi buna rugora ari capital ebintu mbire biraro konyora umuntu chiro tenenere igoro kiamanya kuboneka kero kende kose bagenda bagetugura timenyitinga is it part of okorera abantu bakure.
No, what's happening in Kenya by day tari maandamano that protest rene chi okarekana something that a section of youths ba muire because we don't say the entire ngana kere youth ya soccer. You look at the demonstration yesterday like now we not see how as below as 15 years were in the streets. Manda after mjigendred. We can say abanafunzi ba high school bali in the street yesterday.
Marenga bangi sana
in the street like in Kisii. But you see now 1 or 2 people are working about destruction. See like yesterday in Kisii in the morning between 8 and 10 there were youths in the streets. They had t-shirts rebranded, the photocopy of the Kenyan flag. Bango utalo the streets. But between around midday back around saa 10, you cannot think about in the street. In the morning, and in the afternoon, they are the same agenda. So they're different agendas. Kwa ndike bana kyumu no kon maybe choose kwa bogol chance pi. Someone about steward kwa bogol chance pi chips mu kwa bogol chance pi. This is part of the demonstrations. That's why I say like sometimes I was going to a point where things separate between the genuine people who are not separate. You just protest na bali ba join the go infiltrate. What could have been the peaceful demonstration. Bantu wako kama sasa wako because they were peaceful protesters. Either you are like you are maybe near, you are part of the people.
Yes.
Banku ibebi into. Or something happened. Ndoka say mix. But you cannot say out of 100 people in the street they could be all be genuine. 1 or 2 people could be out for destruction. Mbali what the agenda ngao. Mbali idol bakatukanga batinde tu bakaso street. So kupo fundraise evento could not be anything to kikalite kwende kyabangene nini. It's even getting bonfires as a street. Pon gambo gaburu ya soko diskoiga I don't even know where nanya nyole tide gari. So for you to get like 100 of them lazima kwe bangete. You know stories about that.
Ndenga iba uchi waro sita evitiri.
That's what I'm saying. Take you monto kwende street kwa same agenda. Mbali balengera dinga twanto sambe.
We bangete umako mugima bagenda to sanga ichitaye.
So even was yesterday I was telling somebody else to Karans thing. You know you cannot meet like 300 youths in Kisii town. Daraja moja mpaka capture roundabout. But wenga through gaiga mpaka stage kule stage bana mpaka moja ni mate batira mpaka nyitari gaiga roundabout nyakitari. It's difficult to coordinate that group all day.
Uko boli ngoko banga.
So it means nganta they bangete from somewhere. They have a commander or guide because there's no way I'm maintaining that the whole day. Some could be drunk. Like maybe sasa mugaso back sasa baiga barase. Again, but we are a group it's constantly moving.
Nande mbabu atitote be speaker bako babu atia makondo bako.
You see them moving in the same direction kilingaki. So like in Nairobi we could agree people were organizing themselves through the digital space, through Twitter. Back on meet, by discuss, then in the morning, we know what to do. But now there are some in other regions, in the rural areas, it's some target to rise now, like let's say the nearby villages, the neighborhood villages, especially within CBD or Kisii. You find Kenya like and 50 by the even you find them walking back home in as a group. There must have been a communication. By this time, you'll be back. So within that group, like in a community, what the agenda to destroy. Like if you are doing away with the signage, you see now those are the questions like destruction. Yeah, no mundo watu bongo bwenga can destroy. But this is what now creates anarchy. Create basigari banyo banze with abantu. Taringa ngende o provoke musigari. Yes. This is by the fact that I dig know what njene bunduki mbwate. I not wait for you to kill me or to harm me. Njene bunduki it's just one shot, you'll die that go. But then from their training, sometimes you wonder like why did they kill? Because you can disarm them to require to snake weapon. Also mark appropriately where they are trained to below the knee. Then you rescue that person. But then the killings in Montaki is to Kubaenda. It's a question for another day.
Umetevuna litkuregoro. Ngoika nyumba. Kongo soa nyumba nkanyora abantu mbaikaraste bakona okoro bonsori bagatebanga. Nchenta Getembe ikebinte binyomba in case of anything abasa abumba jabasaga nkaburi abasa ebakuru etauni baiche gutaraga iga ngatebunga bate abango chabare bate abango etabare gaiga ngaira nego sori angechita gikaikomi gachigweta ngoigwe bintu bigwa kubona nguburi bakachinyomba cha abantu ngichakora chigwa kwa magena akebirora abantu bari babwate chiotera ngene chipara bona chi screen echibunire kwiburinga abasa abaiga mpaka ukurubekana ukurera abamu abo ingi bago chigokora bakemechere gose tutebe outside ubosongo.
That's why I've said as much as nobody want to come and sit now with the youth of this country but discuss the agenda. Not like last year there was an agenda that they wanted the finance bill last year 2024 2025 they were shelved like a change certain. Yes. But this time round the idea was like the families of the people were killed last year. But you mark and Fasadi Mwako Mutangani and the back with. But you see now they were joined by other different groups. The agenda against move. But you see now you can do that within 2 hours. You meet somewhere within 2 hours. The idea of holding now the demonstration between 6 to 6 now becomes a question like what could have happened. But then the planning must be done. The question is who plans for these people. Once you allow a politician, you organize for a peaceful demonstration, then now the questions of coming in the political affiliations, the tribal affiliations, that's where now the idea of peaceful demonstrations or protests will change, whether tribal or political. But if we knew like now, like the instance of yesterday, former Chief Justice Maraga, he left one of the media for a live interview at Kasoka Sky, against our address those youths, then they had a walk, then he left. Now, that you come out from Kisii, you get to Capital Roundabout, you chant your slogans, in 1 2 hours, then the law says that you have to give a date, time, and the venue. Now, for what happened in Kenya is that you might give that date and time and venue, but you do the opposite. Now that's where the law catches. They say the law is an ass, like you cut both sides, but then we cannot say like we compare ourselves with the developed countries on what they do in terms of demonstrations, because the laws in other countries, but they're even more harsh than what we have in this country. But then as we move forward, let's hope to get to a point that we don't peaceful protest. peaceful demonstrations.
Yes. Maraga keeps his promise to work with Gen Z as he builds a 2027 momentum. Bono nebibwate bicha ya yega buri tukorigoro omuske David Maraga ekero bono ndoche gazeti ya gotebanga niko anyalete kurenda usigwikirania ireri yae nigagendete kuyikirania eri atabete ngabakatale nekegori kiga wika omwelio na page komi goteba digital literacy powered Gen Z uprising uplifted dissenting voices ngabono amangana yo kutumeka emitandao gose ekerero amangana technology bono naro airire abasa abaiga konyara gutwara chinguru na boigo eriogi kegima page 10 na ase page 14 gotewa MPs scatter for safety amid a fear of second visit by irate agencies. Abajumbe ndotinga nigo bono banyalite kwirigeria kose banyalite gutamira magimapo kegima mapema ikiagira tibarigetie ane muno ekirotoro chebuna ebigo esengenge ntindi yiga erebuno bwembe yanyalite kubekwa asechipara chigosa ime ya parliament ngani ko banyalite gwetanga mapema elinde tibenyora sako kuna omwaka oita na asense moyende state sued over a razor wire barricade and a missing blogger ndocho bono iga umulikio yomo naro iga blog yomo naro otaratoka nekero bono ndochinga serikali nigo bono yanyalire gosoerwa igoro yokubeka esengenge asichipara chigosa se parliament na a nation poses Gen Z's force an official holiday to honor fallen protesters ngabono aba Gen Z nigo patagete manyare kwa gusenga litukeriga ria June 25th irinyara kubekwa koba a holiday, a mix of an easy calm and chaos mark day in Nyanza and Western tukurigire ensemo ya ke kose ansemo ya Western Kenya na boigo orungo rwa Nyanza na borabo nigo obanyalite korrekana ebrukano nigo yare ngorro asensemo yende abantu mbare barengi korobekana achita unichinde ncyatuliyete korende nigo ndoche koro kyabuna chinse monjiro chabwate okorobekana ogotindi aiga asense ya Kenya. Deaths, violence and looting rock Rift Valley as Gen Z protests erupt. Eko kwanaranga nigo chinse mocha Rift Valley yanyalete korokana nigo ogotindi agose nigo korobekana okukwarenge ogotindi ikegima. Na county ya Machakos ndoche babire mbasireti ya magimapo 6 injured as riots turned deadly in Matu chinse mochichi ya Matu na ndoche ase igati yari enatigairi gose igati yari atigarete ase gazeti iganeri watabanga your guns won't silence our voices. Opposition and protesters tell Ruto bono abakwamereria serikali na boigo abakorobekana bonsi niko batebirenga no mochimutu are byomo mochimutu are chibunduki kendi gyonsi ngabono bado ntori gochugokira moncho murigiria ayo negati ya yare ase egazeti iga ya The Standard yeri tuko oriarero lakini ringana limwe mwele batanga rogue regime ekebwate bicha ya Omoske William Ruto ndochangana bakumbe tobosio okegima naboigo makiga yae nerioki ama erioki echitia gas naboigo ebintu binde binge na omo Kenya oyo mokrobekana oko siare rundo changa urutero etia gas naboigo nige mugetia bendera insi ya Kenya na abuga. Yes. Ekero kurige gazeti ya Daily Nation timete osero nere tofauti.
And there's something different from gazeti ya Standard. The Nation is the Black Wednesday. I think it's a Black Thursday, but then Black Wednesday. Yeah, but Red's Day, but then the chaotic. Even as we analyze the papers, and the image from the newspapers,
yes,
is not good for the country. The media is supposed to have an agenda. The agenda is set in the papers, need of anarchy and chaos in the country. Look at the briefs that I said in your Standard. They're talking about 3 media houses that shot yesterday by CA, That's Commission Authority of Kenya, and the 9 people killed. Abantu kianda banyate bagusiri. No, the livelihoods abantu kichive bategemeta abantu bakianda. Ukimowel. And the destructions of your property and the looting spree abamula bachitwaga waswaime. But look at it like from last year, the number of female protesters like yesterday, it went down. as compared to last year. That's what the numbers of the last year in the streets. Yesterday, I think the number went down from the photos we are seeing. But what I disagree with now in one of the papers, needing to a point that now the media is not numbering the number of counties charged into protests. When they're talking about 27 counties, someone could ask where were the 20. Then again we go down to asking which are these 20. That's how you now started dividing the country.
Yes.
That 27 Nyarenga demonstrations, 20 Nyarenga. Somebody will again do another story. Which were these 20 counties? Which were these 27 counties Nyarenga Samanda?
By the way, each county nchiri chaveri chigutanga na vosio sana. Asio kurovekana. Yes, lakini engakie yege korogana. Ekorogori muna luo Nyanza. Chiara averi atari sana sukurovekana. Batirit kuregoro. Semo chiri chia Kisumu korogori gereria. Tera make a headline so muna matuko akakurumagega.
Actually, Omabay County na Kisumu County governors, they issued a statement thanking their people for not demonstrating. And again, I saw my former colleague from where I was working, based in Kisumu, yesterday was reporting live from Kisii. So it tells you the intensity ya maandamano in Kisii as compared the usual hotspots ya maandamano in Kisumu and the Luo Nyanza counties actually. Actually, let's say the 6 counties in the Nyanza region. You know what again comes out in Nyeringa? Still, people are grouping Kisii, Nyamira, and the 4 counties in Nyanza region to be Nyanza region.
Yes.
Then now when you're doing a story, you say maandamano in Nyanza region. As I go back Kisumu, we say maandamano in Nyanza region. Now, Abere Kisii, we talk about Nyanza region. You know, even the economies of these counties, it's okay, it is interdependent, but at one point, the growth each county area at the individual level county. So when we're setting the agenda, it's something given the correct. But again, from all the newspapers we cut across, the Maraga issue from yesterday's demonstrations comes out. I don't know, the demonstration because he's still enjoying state protection. So I don't know if he's still enjoying state protection. So the Maraga factor in the newspapers today cuts across. Then now we are having the issue of digital literacy. That these youths were able to organize for demonstrations and protests through the digital spaces. Telling about Woodpark or something. You see, for these guys who call Mandamau Nairobi, then they walk to Woodpark. They must have organized it through in a way through the digital space. So again, they will come out that in the future, even during the elections 2027, the digital space might play a key role as a campaign.
Influence especially for the youth.
And again, the issue that cuts across again, I've seen the nation navigated half a page. Here, order I could charge Justice Mwita. You go recall the order yaru tuna CA.
Communications Authority.
It's outdated. It's something we want to have an advocate na a senior security officer to at what point now do you have these orders being given? But the question comes, I've seen a letter given to the judiciary through the Chief Justice asking the head of judiciary the speed at which the orders are being given. That CA gave an order of shutting down some of the live streams at around midday.
Yes.
Around midday. Less than an hour later, there was an order from Justice Mwita forcing the CA to recall the other Yarway. So I've seen the congressional member of the County Assembly in Nairobi, Orike, the Chief Justice, that the head of judiciary should look at the orders being given, the expert orders being given. Expert orders in Chiku work around Kinetara and the court. That you file to stop the orders as you wait for the hearing yekin. It's something we would like it to. I'm sure the Kenya Kwanza and the broad-based government and the next empowerment programs, this will be a debate for their meetings. Yeah, the nation never the story they defied court orders. There's also grief, chaos in 27 counties. We discussed about the issue of barricading of the road in Nairobi. But something interesting yesterday, I've never seen the president of Kenya picking a call when he's in an event. But yesterday, we saw a photo trending of President Ruto, Aramatanga Kirifu, the governor Kirifu.
Yes.
I will pick a call, akakamba for some time. The photo ya trend sana. You see, that's the time, So we don't know who he was speaking to. Then they say like after some few minutes, the order from CA came out. But the whole thing is about the angry nation, that the country is going to anarchy if they intend to correct. But us as a common mwananchi, we might not have a solution unless we continue going to the streets. But as people go to the streets still, and even as we do these stories, the question is, what was the agenda yesterday? To mark 1 year anniversary and back with the 2024. And again, I went back with yesterday. So the next agenda, the government should prepare again next year, time like this, giving another anniversary.
And
second and first anniversary and work with it. Unless another something happens within this span of say 11 to 12 months, again, the career from the government, we will change. But 9 lives lost yesterday is a big number.
Yes.
Could be having even more work with it. Very critically injured. So it's an issue like, what is the best way forward? I saw a speech here, the former Interior Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, calling for calm among the youth, calling for the government to stop using excess force as a protest agent. But now that's where both the government and the protestants want to meet at the center by discussing what is the way forward. So the mandamana ataba chaotic, are peaceful. Yes.
Yes.
And I think even as we went up on the newspapers, there's a story I saw somewhere, someone was calling for peace. Okay? Not, I think not the nation. There's a story that the families that were going to protest the killing of their kid, their family members last year. They were about to protest in peace, in a peaceful protest, but commerce tiagas namasas. But Matildah, one thing comes to my mind: must we have the civil societies organizing for such anniversaries? Like, must we have these civil societies meeting the families of the bereaved ones? These families can go to court as families, as individual families to go to court to seek for justice. You do not need a civil society group to go to court. Where are these civil society groups when it comes to economic empowerment? Yeah, different sectors of the economy. Yes. We have groups, yes, in this country, but almost 95% of these civil society groups, they are fighting, not even fighting for the good of the people. That's where
justice.
These people have money. That means justice is seeking for justice on a sector in this economy, in this country that can thrive. The economy can also do better. Let these people come out. Let them go to the slums. But then, yes, you are fighting for these people to get justice from the slums. Because a right to have a good life is also in the Constitution. A right to life is not the only right in the Constitution. There are so many rights in the Constitution. Even the preamble talks about the freedom, the rights, all those things. Thinking justice for the ones who have died is the only right. Let them, if they were to come out early enough as civil societies, but discuss these issues.
Challenges.
Yes. I know they even participate in the budget making process. But you see now, holding yourself in Nairobi hotels, let them come to Mashinani. I know they are well funded. Let them come to Mashinani. Let them enlighten people. Let them even tell people that once you go to demonstrations, this is how to behave. So that you have peaceful demonstrations. It's rare you find let me call them the ownership. Yeah, these civil societies. The people who is the common mwananchi or inside mwanamotaka. So mwanabumuntu mutaka na wanya. Then you ask yourself, how creative in the social media and even in the media? Where do you find them?
You know,
how they run away from all this mess?
I think shida ni raro. Entu bwate no nyaba iga chi bakoroka chi celebrity aba igokora online. Kwanya raso amanda bana buna igoro bagete chi bicha no bara asechi street. Lakini ngoyo ko uno onyo muntu oyo mo obere injured. Kuma ko buri barabunza ngapi echi bakugenda barubikana bake bicha basoka. I think amanda mano akocha akorekana before noon nkobare somehow peaceful.
Someone said like some leaders yesterday they came and dressed like the youth. Then then they say na uko kama musigari wa murte tia gase yamu mwatama. Then now they say bakwebicha se tia gase kaltentoki. They go back to the hotels. Banywa the most expensive bottled water. Bakora kwaragera. Abandi batezo bagoitu. You see, I ask myself, mbona kumera some of these senior politicians are gutuma as a bonfire ya vekuma ro walk bagotuma iko. But our youth nyanya monda gutuma mo rigoro. Like now that then ya nation igaige. Rojo murago tuma mo raso sambire kabisa. Gutuma. Then ask myself like, so what metomo rigoro you expect like we can no more so point. No, we are not fighting for.
I think for yesterday, mbakolete ngina nemba bete mbatige tubalebia. Abange babo mbasoge kurwabo balebia. Ikiagira nanya iga busongo konyoranga asomuriro iri barenke kubeka basokirio kiri mwamu no bare gutuma mpaka nginyorete nare kubole colleagues bane gaigana king. Eke nebintu birutwara gosombi kwa save ko batebunga bako tumo muriro tali batiso. Bono lera abantu bagotumemerero bunentege.
See, in these demonstrations, now it's degenerating from what could have been a peace protest to a tribal groupings to even called political groupings. I know question like last time we had them under Kisumu, Siaya, all those regions in Nyanza region and the Western region. But now for the first time, we are having serious demonstrations even in Murang'a County. That Kiambu Camp now is having serious demonstrations.
Actually, mbachi tebakase chi office cha omo jumbe.
But you see now the banding of this year office in Kabeta Masamu, I think there's a problem Yasambe Tugari Kiambu County. Like those are this year office. What next? Bang. Okay, there are those who try to go to a police station. But you see now
Matu.
Yes. You see now we're going to it's an excess. You can talk about the excesses from the government. You can talk about also excesses from protesters. Now that's where the rift comes. Like Mosgar go to a police station about to Mandis. So when we're held up in police stations, because the community murder cases, then now you walk in. Correct. And you cannot deny the fact that either one of the protesters could be a friend to one of the guys, but in the police custody.
Wago take advantage nga kurio korobekana ninchi muto igore.
Muto igore. But it is now king abanda bako bangamanda mana through civil society groups. Where are they most take I saw yesterday one of the musicians bago discuss no music. They argued a lot. Bako musika makama kote tear gas. Then the other one watumira inyo ko mwake kirani. Wait for the poor or in Crocs chinchafu where ni tattered cloth. Bako musika mwake rungu. But you see now these are the people not one on one level. It's high time also we stop the police stop treating protesters depending on how they know one another. To a point, if you find like 100 youths at address tibia, they are protesting to me and the police don't reason like that they are discussing something. They mean that the former Maraga, they want him to talk. One thing I started talking up. We treat these Kenyans equally. Let us stop provoking them. You see now, the way they argue, I don't know about like near Tiagasima, they never had some kind of provocation. The moment you nail that smoke, you don't now, you start reasoning differently. The street or it's different from somebody or near Tiagas. You know, it's like when you smoke, you still remain the same person. You know the effect of tear gas comes up to around 3 to 4 days. You will still feel it as a if you're walking in a free space like outside.
Actually,
you're walking here is almost 12 hours later, but you still walk outside as an open space. You still feel the tear gas. Not about when inhaling it. Pakera remain for some time, like even then
lakini onyekego cha kwarira utabwati borubondo bwese.
Yes.
Amarigasoka.
But Matildah, as we went up on this newspapers, the idea is that both the nation and the standard, they have either they have an image of the president or the wording still president, that they are calling the president to act. But I'm reading the entire story. Now the president is supposed to act on the excesses from the police. Now the Kenyans are now turning against the police go back. So we'll defend the police. The National Police Service Commission will defend the police. But how? When the police is handling like 100 cases, the National Police Service Commission is handling like 100 cases of police officers having injured over 90. You could be having like 2 or 3 cases of cigarette. So that's where the question comes in, like, how do you handle now the two parties? So to reach a consensus. But I'm seeing a photo of a police officer being rescued by some youth. I don't know where, again, we took our ethics as journalists, that you are supposed to do the black and white of the blood to encourage manyinga in the live images, but
tuwade bichabune oyo bwate signage ye para
yes
etimetinga inka yakoira omete kwanya gutara chinza mochinde kwanyara signage bune yo montabe gitebune benches ko
I saw a skate. It's called the skate. One of the content creators acted tokana le pillowcase nyomberi kire Kenya Red Cross kwanyara getamba kikero kire the National Hospital. It's actually it's a
onye ko kolega go se una ke ga umuchi uso seketi arech okonyora ngakire kire
nyomba
okonyora ke komene ke Getembe TV.
Yes, but you see something comes to my mind as we even discuss this issue, the demonstrations, that the leadership is going to the streets, going to the streets. You see, the idea of former Matildah just going to the street yesterday, yes, it's good for accompanying the Gen Zs to the streets. But you know, to get a point that now Kenya is divided into almost even 2-3 groupings. And we know what it means by having private firearms in the streets. Now, what if somebody injured from Chief Justice? The demonstrations. Because these people, a number of people be armed. We know the illegal firearms in this country. We have seen the president Kero Mwaka Kago set on fire, illegal firearms chair, corrected. Now, what is the safety now in the streets? I'm trying to imagine that something happens now in the former chief just in the street. Maybe Monta is injured, further injured actually.
I think nonye tari arabueka asa matukaiga ebintu bwana tukuri gumuna bona injire aba police bakendete konyora kwa sababu bakendete kusagano chi firearms chinyara kopekwa serikali nyara kone kiange binte bimpire safe kiagira bono ekero chapa sabaiga bise access buna bono chibunduki igera chikope bikone.
I see not the thing ambajibuati.
Mbajibuati.
You can't dismiss the idea that they are private firearms in the hands of. They could be private, they could be illegal firearms. And I saw the other day the National Intelligence Service could issue a warning about terror suspects. Go plan for some illegal activities in Nairobi during the protest. Thank God it did not happen yesterday. But I'm trying to imagine that at this stage country level, these guys are on the streets. If something happens, will it be against the state or what will happen? That's a question we'd like you to answer in the next discussion. Yes.
Nigo erakomo. Na ekirongorigirira se igatie chi gazeti chinde gaiga. Buna gazeti ya People Daily ndo chagotanga back to the dark days. Yote persecution in a move reminiscent of Moi era tyranny. President Ruto is failing. Regime kills 8 people and shuts down TV stations for covering Gen Z demos. I think niga wono nande kuborenga akoirania ase ama tuko aria makoro uburayo bukoro engaki abantu nande barenke goitwa abantu bare goitwa kiolela page ya kabere wika ya gatano na gatatu ase gazeti ya People Daily ebichairaro na banyanyimbo bagotemba ko Tuchina banyanyimbo amagena itire para na boigo erioki turkomanyanga nonye inki kegendrete korende no kurobekanoku okumurekerwa anamono kwelituko rigoro. Gazeti ya The Star egotebanga mayhem and death nero nabo egukwanira amagana yo yerituko rigoro ese bwatumugano ipeji ya kabiri wika ya gatano na kabiri na bebwate abakenya abasae bagendete wokiemerero kiguma bako imokia moko igoro abande na obesi bete chibendera rutinga nabo begete eburaburu entindi ekonekiwa akro ase abasae singincho yebiro. Gazeti ya Taifa Leo egotebanga enzi za giza nigobono watanga kwa mara nyingine polisi watia masikio yao nta na kuua waandamanaji, serikali ikifunga NTV, K24 and KTN Abuga. kero ndo che gazeti iga ya Taifa Leo kwa ereraiga metinga asense meiga yebita sene chinyomba cy'uburalia ako kuchikwa ngatiba busa kubeka eyemo kurubekana ose amandamana yo yemasemo effect kera tware uchase apa Kenya.
Okay, at this age, we have the discussing about the digital space. You know, the government can decide to shut all media within a click of a second. But now we have a strong judiciary in this country that's anchored in the 2010 Constitution. That you cannot be an individual to make decisions on behalf of all Kenyans. There are those different sectors in the governance structure to make decisions. I've told you the speed at which court ya make a decision, you overturn the decision in your CA. But you see, for those who are in leadership and even governance, they will tell you the government was trying to test